In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use incognito mode with Grok AI. If you've ever wanted a quick way to keep a specific chat out of your history, this walkthrough will make the process simple and stress-free. We'll open the Grok website, sign in, and then turn on Grok's incognito mode so your current conversation doesn't get saved to your chat history. Start by opening the Grok website in your preferred browser. Any modern browser will work fine. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the options appear correctly. Once you're on the site, sign into your account as you normally would. You don't need to change any settings at this stage, just make sure you're successfully logged in and can see the main chat interface where you'd usually start a conversation. Now, look for the option to start a private session. In Grok, incognito is designed to be private and it's easy to access. You should see an option labeled incognito or something similar to private on the chat screen, often near the chat header, conversation controls, or session settings. Click that option. When you do, Grok will prompt you to confirm that you want to enter a private session. Go ahead and confirm. This is the key step. Once confirmed, you're in a private session, and Grok will not save the messages from this conversation to your chat history. You'll typically see a clear indicator, such as a banner, label, or icon, that confirms you're in incognito mode. If you see that, you're all set to begin your chat. From this point on, anything you type in this private session won't be stored in your conversation history, which helps keep this specific exchange separate from your regular saved chats. A couple of helpful reminders as you use this feature. Incognito mode focuses on your chat history within Grok, so this particular conversation won't appear in your list of past chats. Other non-incognito conversations will continue to save normally. Also, private mode is about history on the platform. It doesn't control anything outside the app, like screenshots or logs on your device. To recap, open the Grok website, log in, click the incognito or private option in the chat interface, and confirm the prompt. After that, you'll have a clearly marked private session where messages from this conversation won't be saved to your history. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can quickly switch into a private space whenever you need a bit more discretion for a single chat.